By this demonstration we can understand the law of reflection. This is a laser light and this is transparent medium. Light is incident, some part of light ray is reflected and some part is refracted. Due to air medium, reflected light cannot be seen. This incident light, this is reflected light and this is a normal. And as per first law of reflection, the angle between incident light ray and normal is known as angle of incident, and angle between reflected light and normal is known as angle of reflection. And first law is angle of incident should be equal to the angle of reflection, and second law, incident ray, normal and reflected ray are in same plane. Now we understand about the law of reflection. Now this is incident light ray and we cannot see it due to the air medium, and this is refracted light ray which is reflected from air medium to denser medium. Incident light ray we cannot see due to air medium, but refracted light ray we can see due to the water medium. Now we can see the incident light ray. Now we produce smoke inside this portion and we see that this is incident light ray. Some part of this light ray is reflected and some part is refracted inside the water. And now this is incident light ray, this is reflected light ray, and this is reflected light ray. As per law of reflection, this light ray should go through this line, but this light ray incidence from air medium to denser medium and it bend towards the normal. This is normal and this light ray should go through this line, but this is bent towards the normal. And this is angle between incident light ray and normal is angle of incidence, and angle between refracted light ray and normal is known as angle of refraction. And ratio sine of angle of incidence and angle of refraction is known as refractive index of water with respect to air.